Hey glow ups, welcome back to Her Home Is. I am Tammy, the host of the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Now you guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing a slight clean and decorate with me. I am going to flowerize my living room. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Today's video, you guys, we are going to be doing some changing out things here in my home for our fall. We're going to change out my living room for the fall. Now it's still warm out, so you get in my fall stuff. If we're releasing stuff correctly, you're going to get it a little early. But with that being said, now my curtains, you guys, are sponsored. I'm going to show you the curtains. I'm going to put all of the sponsored information down in the description. Please always make sure you're checking that description box. It is a lot of useful information for you down in that description. So with that being said, you guys, my package came in like this. And we got a lot of stuff that we got to actually unbox. And these curtains, if you watch the DIY channel, the company that sponsored these, Loyalty, they did a sponsorship over on the DIY channel as well. But these are the curtains, and I'm going to give you some more information about the curtains as we hang them. But I'm going to pull them out of the pack. If I can get them out. And I haven't taken them out of the pack, I just opened the box so that I can see what was in them. And this is the actual style to go with the velvet drapes. So I'm more in love with drapes, and I also still love my grommets. These are still the 1/8 inch grommets. And once again, I'm going to put all the Loyalty's information down in the description, but we're going to get ready to get these curtains hung. And guys, make sure you do subscribe to our channels. Her Home Is, Glam Queen DIY, Her Tablescapes, Molux Vlogs, and also Her Shorts. We appreciate your love and support. Before we hang the curtains, I already have my blinds open. We have these up. I have them pulled back, and I'm still thinking about removing the lights. TT is still in love with the fairy lights. It's the reason they're still up. But those are those light blue faux silk. These are our summer and spring curtains with that sheer. And to you guys, if you like my Bantu, because this is what I call my little head wrap, my Bantu, if you like that, let me know and I'll show you how I create these, you guys. I have listed all Loyalty's information down in the description, their website link. They also do sell on Amazon as well. Now you guys, these curtains I do have here, they are the navy blackout curtains. They're 96 inches long. They did come with a 2-panel set, and they have 4 streamer it's a 4 silver streamer design that's on these curtains. You can use these for your living room, your bedroom, really anywhere. They are thermal insulated once again, and you guys, that grommet is actually a 1/3 inch grommet. I love grommets. Make sure you do click that link and all the information in the description box. And to you guys, right now Amazon itself does have a 5% coupon, so make sure you definitely take advantage of that. Now again, the company is Loyalty Home Textiles. I do have that website down in the description box. Make sure you guys check them out. Now you guys, these curtains with that 1.6 inch opening on that grommet, they do fit the 1.5 inch curtain rod or the 1.3 for the wider. You guys, they are still blackout. They do block out about 90% of your sunlight and your UV rays as well. They do keep the space a little darker, which is what I'm falling in love with. They are easy to care for. You just machine wash them on cold, you guys. And I always, most of the time, let my curtains air dry. If not, you can put them in your dryer, but make sure you put them on a low setting and just do a light iron or steam to them as well. Now, as you see me hanging them here, you guys, if you notice, I left that back end out. This is one way that I do hang my curtains when you want to keep the edge of the curtain flushed with the wall, so you don't have that gap that pops between the wall and the curtain. Just do this little trick I showed you, and it will keep that flushed always. I'm just going to make sure my curtains are straight. All right, you guys, these are the curtains up close, and as you can see the design in them, that silver. Now I am waiting on my other second curtains to come as well, so you're gonna see that added in probably in another video in about another day or two, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. But these are what those curtains are looking like. So far I am loving the look of these curtains. And once again, make sure you do go check out Lordy's. I do have all of that information in the description, and you know my little handy dandy friend and helper was here with me, Miss TT. But make sure you do check that link for these curtains. I'm going to include the link for these curtains along with Lordy's information, their Amazon link, their website link, all of their information. Please make sure you do check them out. And you guys, I'm telling you, you can change the look of a space quickly just by dressing up the windows or dressing down the windows. I am loving these, and as you can tell, I am falling in love more so with the drapes, but the silver forward blue curtains, and they do say navy blue, but you guys, this is a true to life royal blue curtain. Make sure you do stay tuned, come back and see what we do plan on showing you to give you some inspiration for the fall. And as you can see, we're still in the mix of the blue, and we're going to mix a little more stuff up for you in these next upcoming videos. You guys, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Her Home Is, our DIY channel, Glam Queen DIY, the Tablescape channel, Her Tablescapes, the Vlogging channel, Molux Vlogs, and the Shorts channel, Her Short. You guys, we'll see you in another video.